Windshield Repair San Diego, CA. Get top-tier auto glass repair and replacement solutions for your vehicle at SD Mobile Auto Glass. Your car's glass isn't just a window to the world. It's a critical part of your vehicle's safety and structure. From the windshield to the sunroof, tempered and laminated glass protects you and your passengers from the elements, and even more importantly, during accidents. At SD Mobile Auto Glass, we understand the urgency and importance of reliable auto glass repairs. That's why we bring our expert mobile repair service directly to you, whether you're at home or work, ensuring minimal downtime. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we're dedicated to resolving your auto glass issues with precision and care. Auto glass repair and replacement. Whether it's a small chip or a full replacement, we've got you covered. Our repair service prevents chips and cracks from spreading, while our replacement service uses high-quality OEM glass to restore your vehicle's safety and aesthetics. Our skilled technicians carefully assess the damage to recommend the best course of action. For minor chips, we provide fast repairs, but for severe damage, we offer full replacements, ensuring the structural integrity of your vehicle. Every replacement is conducted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a flawless fit and finish. We also account for safe drive-away time using advanced adhesives for added durability. Windshield repair and replacement. We focus on quickly repairing minor damages to restore the windshield's clarity and strength. But when repairs aren't enough, our replacement service provides a new, high-quality windshield installed with expert care. We understand the importance of modern ADAS features, ensuring that all systems are accurately calibrated post-replacement, keeping your journey safe. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our happy customers have to say about their experience. Reach out to us today. Visit our website, give us a call, or send us an email for a quote. Our friendly team is ready to assist you with high-quality service at an affordable cost. SD Mobile Auto Glass, your trusted solution for windshield repair and auto glass replacement in San Diego.